Okay, so it's gonna be a follow video. Finally got the replacement for my wife's broken Samsung flip phone. It's gonna be kind of like a unboxing. I already cut the edges here and here, so let's go ahead and check it out. You have to excuse it, I'm holding the phone. I don't know where can't find my phone stand. So, there we have it. Nice replacement. Screen is good. $106 to replace this broken phone with a brand new one. That's all I got. Say what you want about iPhones, but this iPhone 7 lasted longer than the Samsung Flip. I'm just saying. Probably the only thing I ever had to replace on the iPhone 7 was a screen protector and the case one time. But the iPhone definitely lasted longer than this Samsung Flip. That's my piece. Thank you for watching.